Hello everyone, today I'm going to give you some interesting tips about how to make a rice water and how to use it in your hair. Let's see. Rinse and stir your rice to remove any dirt or impurities that you don't want to apply to your hair. Mix the strained rice in a medium-sized bowl with water. You should mix until the water becomes pretty coldy. Strain the rice, this time reserving the water. Store the rice for later or cook it up. Put the rice water in a plastic container and cover it. Let the rice water sit at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours. This allows it to ferment and all of the yummy vitamins and minerals to come out. The important tip, don't let it sit for over 24 hours. I let my first batch of rice water sit for 2 days and it went so bad. Refrigerate the rice water until you are ready to use it. Fill a small container like a travel-sized shampoo bottle or a small jar with rice water for application. Keep the rest in your fridge. So if you like my information, hit the like button and comment it below and subscribe my channel for sure. Thank you.